a bit off. Deepan, lots of numbers today, and we'll see numbers from ITC, Britannia. So let's get Mangalam back in to talk to us about what the markets are really watching out for from these two. Mangalam, morning again.
Good morning. So let's talk about Britannia first. There has been weak urban demand, gradual recovery seen in rural, etc. But what will hit them most this time is the sharp inflation that we've seen in palm oil prices. And as a result of which, even though the revenue growth expectations are at around 6% the EBITDA falls by about 5% and margins compress by about 200 basis points as well. And on the back of that, we are expecting a 4% decline in the net profit of the company, with the domestic volume growth assumed between 4 to 5% itself. About 1% comes in from price hikes as well as product mix too. The most important thing here would be the management commentary on some of their new product launches, but most importantly on raw material inflation itself. For ITC, the good part was that there was no change in tobacco taxation in the budget this time around. The company went ex-hotel business with effect from the 1st of January. So this time around, they will report their hotel business in the consolidated, rather standalone numbers as well. Just keep an eye out on any sort of one-off expenses which may accrue on account of the demerger itself. The most important number to watch out for ITC is the number that they don't reveal. That's the cigarette volume growth. But analysts assume that this number this time around could be around 3 to 4%. 5 to 7% growth in the FMCG business. Hotels, because of seasonality, grows between 12 to 15%, with faster growth coming in their operational performance. Agri revenues grow 15 to 20%. Sluggish performance in the paper business. All of that put together means overall revenues grow just shy of double digits, 9.5%. This is ex-excise. EBITDA grows at around 3%. Margins hold steady at around 34.5%. And the net profit comes in at around 5135 crores. Optically, the net profit for ITC would be lower, largely because of a 470 crore tax reversal in the base quarter.
All right. Those are expectations coming in.